Back in 2022, my friends and I shared a dream, daring escape to Palawan. A place we imagined like a paradise beyond reach. But as a fate unfolded, life scattered us in a different direction. I ended up in Negros, unsure of what was next. With just one friend by my side, we took a leap. No map, no guide, just a spark of a fate.
So this is gonna be exciting and fun, and I'm about to go to Siquijor. So ayun guys, mga around 3 AM nakarating na kami dito galing Cabancalan City. Mga around 12 nakaalis na kami nung Cabancalan, so ilang oras din yung biyahe. So ngayon nag-aantay na lang kami ng mag-open yung yung ticketing booth para makasakay na tayo. So kita-kits na lang tayo sa isla. Ito kasama ko.
Around 7:52, our journey just began.
So ito na, pagkatapos ng dalawang oras na antayan, dito na. Pag-aantay namin ng 10 oras, dito na kami. Hey! Touchdown! Surrenderan tropa. Surrenderan tropa. Iyot patulog na. Mainom mo man ba't patagan ni Kron? So hapon na. Hahanap na kami ng pwedeng matuluyan. Medyo alanganin. Hapon na. Nice catch. Just look at that. Hey. bro. It, bro.
Around 4:40, we looked for accommodation, but by 5 p.m., it was still unclear where we would stay. We tried to inquire at the Sunny Days hostel, but unfortunately, it was already fully booked. However, the owner invited us to come back and join dinner with the staff and the guests, and they also offered us to use the pool for free. After 30 minutes of searching for accommodation, we found Linus Hostel. After we checked in, we went back to Sunny Days Hostel to join the dinner party. After that dinner, we went to JJ's Backpacker Village to chill. Time check, 12:09, galing kami sa JJ's Backpacker Village. Yan. Medyo, hindi na talaga medyo, pagod na pagod. More than 10 hours yung biyahe namin. Makapunta lang dito. Worth it lahat.
Gano'n tayo vlog sa ay, video. Hindi mabuno.
Alright guys, so we're going somewhere to explore. Dito na kami. Hey. Pitogok leaf.
So guys, this is gonna be our last night dito sa Siquijor. Dito kami ngayon sa Johnny's. Tsaka dito yung pinaka the best na gabi. Tek, nawala na yung ipin ko. Dito kami ngayon sa Johnny's. Ito yung kwarto namin. So basically maganda, totally malamig dito. Party. Ito yung kasama ko.
Hey! Ooh, what's up? Bye-bye.
Lasing na yan. Putik na yan. Nagdada-Dracula pag lasing. So, yun guys, totally. I enjoy this night. Kasi lang hindi kami nakaabot ng ticket sa Kalayo, which is the fire, something like that. So, see you tomorrow na lang if ever na mag-extend kami or hindi. Depende.
Ay, for the last. Uli na kami later. Hey, uli na kami guys.
Uli na kami halin sa Layawan.
Balik to Bacolod na naman. Work na naman guys.
Grabe nga layaw, no? Perte, manik bugat.
Ano yung bakal mo sa liga ka na?
Oo.
Ay, sayang. Hindi mo sayang. Ayari naman tadi.
Baskog dala ni gili kamote ako muni. Bugat.
Kunyari hindi nahihirapan.
Kunwari dako kamot. Ako'y libag.
Hoy, shirt ko na po. Isa mo daw. Ito, jacket, melody. Muna pink akong mga... Oh, tawagan na niya, tawa. Kabalong ka, na?
Hindi mo.
Hindi. Ah. So around alas 3 na yung biyahe namin, papasok namin ng barko. Ayun na, masakay naman ang mga manol. Sasakay na naman.
Gamotor ko na katulad.
Sasakay, ayun na, ayun na.